So guys, you need to install Smart STB application from the App Store of your Smart TV. Once you install the application, you will see this kind of screen and you need to accept terms and conditions. Then you will see this screen and you need to share the virtual MAC address to your IPTV provider. Then scroll right side, you will see settings option, click on that. Then you will see this kind of screen and you need to click on system settings. Now you will see multiple options. You need to click on portals. Then on the next screen, use portal 1 should be on and default portal should be portal 1, and the name section just type 1, and then also add the URL provided by your IPTV provider. Then press reverse or back button of your remote and save all the changes, and go one step back and click on restart portal, and click on restart portal. It will start loading like this. Then you will see all the channels like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.